Are you trying to manage your online classes? Lucky for you, we have a template, as we do with many other use cases, and our abundant templates that we have at Softr. Online courses platforms make it easy for you to deliver your online courses in an organized manner. You can use them not only to upload the content, but to also create a landing page for your classes, build a curriculum, and promote it. The template that you are going to see in this video has a myriad of different features and functionality that allow you to build an online class system extremely easy. Let's get started. So as always, if you go to softr.io/templates, we can click on preview here, and you'll notice that there's the world's largest selection of courses in this example template. And if I click on login here, there is the ability for somebody in this situation to theoretically sign in for the online class. But let's check out how this entire system works by pressing use template, and then following the steps here, going use template to Airtable, continue, pressing copy base to Airtable account. And you'll notice right here that we have a myriad of different courses to look at. They are built out into your data source the second that you create the app. Now make sure you also follow up by pressing create application, because all the data is in here, but then you actually have to make the app by pressing that. And then we'll see that we can go into the application shortly. Now, all of the data within here has things like, the title, the image, instructor, all of these sort of things. So what we're then gonna do is we're gonna preview this. And if I press see all courses, you'll notice that it prompts me to go to the sign in page. And if we wanna pick from one of the logged in users, we totally can. So in the preview option, we have the ability to do that. So let's take a look at this from the perspective of David Freemeyer. Now, something that is important is that we can sync this with a data source. So if we go to primary Airtable data source and make sure that we sync it up with our online classes by Softr table, online classes by Softr, then we can click the users table and map the relative fields here. And if you want, you can also add a magic link field, and then from within there, utilize that and map it to the magic link field too. Map whatever nodes you think makes sense. So let's do magic link as well. And then I like using the generate magic field option right there. And you'll see after I add this, all of the different users are all set up within here, and it's going to connect to the users table here. And once again, checking this out as David Freemeyer, I have the ability to check out all of these different courses. So if I click on this, more details page, and then asks me to sign in. But I'm already signed in as Mr. David Freemeyer. And then essentially how this works is that then it would send you to that course details page. So in order to have access to the details page, the reason that it's sending me here is that I essentially need to be making sure that these course details page URLs map the different pages that are actually built out within here. So if you take a look at this Illustrator course, for example, I can grab this link, and even if I wanted to essentially figure out what my baseline of my app's URL is in the publish section here, just copy that, and then essentially go from there and place this within the front half of all of these. And then from there, you'd have access to seeing beautiful pages built out for Adobe Illustrator and other courses that are within here. And then this link sends you to a Stripe block that allows you to check out for this Illustrator course. So essentially this entire template lets you go through the process of taking a course that you have and allowing users to preview that course on a great landing page and then check out throughout the entire process, have coupon codes if need be. You can see that this checkout is set up for all of the different courses in the backend right here. And all of the different course pages are set up here as well. So I can adjust these in any ways that I want. It has a beautiful embedded image within here. It has a nice subtitle layout with great spacing using this code, using this in the subtitle and title text. And even as you can see here, you can embed a video that showcases what the exact course is about as well. If I click on here, it, for example, bring you to an introduction to the Adobe Photoshop course. That's an embedded YouTube link. You can use other types of links as well, but YouTube works great. And then if you did want to, even if you weren't signed in, you signed out here. Another great thing to look at is there's an option to become an instructor too in the sign up process. So essentially this is gonna help you handle payments, applications for new courses, searching and filtering through different courses, having all the different course details available for people who are utilizing the template, and a completely responsive design for people to check all this stuff out at. It's a very simple and easy to use template. So if you do want to check out any of the other content or templates that we do have here at Softr, make sure to go to softr.io/templates to find more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.